have 16 cities in the country where the metro projects are operational, and the idea is to implement 75 cities in the next 100 years. The reason is that because the cities, as we know, are the economic centers, and for us to grow, and the aspiration is to grow to 32 trillion GDP by 2047, and today we are at 3.7. So if we have to grow the GDP by 10 times, we will need to provide the necessary infrastructure in the city for providing that kind of economic activity. Sustainability, which will have to be looked at, and metro projects provide sustainability from a carbon, because today the challenges on climate change and the target for each city is to bring it to net zero. Of course, India has a target of bringing the country to net zero by 2070, but individual cities are setting their own targets, and so metro projects will become very important, so that the modal shift from the private transport happens to the public transport, and which will allow for the environmental sustainability of the transport system. In addition, there are new cities, the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, where the metro projects are under construction or have been approved. There are 11 of them. Similarly, Metro Neo is a rubber-tired metro system where the metro or the Metro Neo would run on the roads as a bus. Cost is about 25% of the median metro rail systems. Then apart from metro, for connecting two cities, counter-magnet cities like what we see in Japan or various developed countries. So this RRTS is a concept on those same lines. A lot of innovative ways of non-fare revenue is being explored, and about today around 20% of the revenue for most of the metro projects is coming from non-fare. The idea is to increase to something like a Hong Kong MRT, which is 40%. A lot of it is now also coming and integrating with the design. When you design a station, especially the terminal stations, you keep out spaces in a manner that tomorrow when the terminal station is built, it captures the revenue potential, non-fare revenue potential from that infrastructure.